So we're going to be doing course 1. You're an early reader, and just a little while ago we did the B. So let's start with the artist. And let me erase it. First we need to watch the video. So we're doing, let's just quickly watch it from here.
These are your draw blocks. Use the correct one to move the artist where he needs to go to fill in the gray lines. These are jump blocks. When you use these, your artist moves but doesn't draw, so use these to jump to the next gray line.
So just as the person said in the video, let's quickly just read through it. These are your draw blocks. Use the correct one to move the artist where he needs to go to fill in the gray lines. These are the jump blocks. When you use these, your artist moves but does not draw, so use these to jump to the next gray line. So let's start. This one makes you go faster or slower, and these are your different blocks just like before. No different. Just like before. Don't worry. So we're going to go east 1 block. Just like before, we're just moving that way and the artist is drawing. I'm going to make it go fast. I'll make it go slow so you can see. Let's go. Great. Give it some love. We need some love. So let's go. We need to go east 1 block because there's a middle point. And the middle point allows you so you can have 2 blocks. Let's do an example. See if my program's right. So you make a circle right here, and then you have another line. Give it some love. We need it. We need the good luck so it works. And then here is the end point. So we need 1 block for the artist to go there, and another block for the artist to go there. 1, 2. Just like before. So let's go east 2 because there's a circle in the middle. Right here. Right there. There's a circle. So I think this should be good. Great! Since these are a bit harder, I'm going to do 3 with you. Now let's restart it. So this we're going to go this way. So I'm just going to put the dot. So it's easier for you to remember. Good. So let's go east 1 block. And then we get here. And then we need to go east another. Then we're right here. Then we need to go north 1 block. And then we're here. And then we need to go north another block. Just like this. And it even said draw 2 lines east and 2 lines north to finish the house.
Draw 2 lines east and 2 lines north to finish the house.
And look at the JavaScript. Great. Let's run it. Hey! Now this one you're gonna do on your own. I'm gonna give you a bit of advice at first.
Draw lines up, over, and down to complete the castle.
Just remember, here are the blocks that you're gonna use, and this thing I'm gonna put dots. So just so you remember. Remember the dots. You need to have new blocks every time you get to a dot. So each different dot has a different block. This is the 1-1 block, and this is just the code. There's no code. Good. So now you start thinking. I'm going to give you a timer. Keep thinking. So keep thinking. This is super important. You have 1 minute left. If you're done, just tell me, and I'll skip you to the next part. Just remember our curves and how each of the curves work. I think you need some more time. And I'm just going to draw it. When the timer gets to 1 minute, I'm going to start. Okay. I'm going to get you ready for success. So it's just giving some trouble. So the answers are east, north, east, south. Just like we always do, let's look at the JavaScript. Cool! Now let's do it. Let's make it go super fast. Yay! Puzzle 5, you're going to do all on your own. Give it some love. Do you remember the basic sequence? Each dot, you need to put a different block, just like I always do. This is harder. Draw the stem of the flower with 2 lines. But this one I might as well just show it to you, because you're just going north, just like before. 2 north blocks, and you just need to remember the combination. Up north. Super easy. The next one you're going to do on your own. Give it some love, but you need to remember the basic sequences. Just remember, each dot is different. This is super important when we do things like this. This is super hard. You're already on stage 8. Sometimes we have more things that we can do with you. Let's look at our progress. This is loading so much, we'll look at it later. This is a new thing. Jump up.
Finish the picture by using a jump block.
Jump east, jump west. These are cool jump blocks. Okay, first you're going to figure it out on your own. Since it's a bit harder for you, I'll give you some more time. Start thinking. So, I see you're almost done. Just remember the basic principles, otherwise you can't do anything. Maybe I should put on a bit jazz. Jazz. Just think about basic principles. Let's give it a little while. Okay, that's it. So, I'm just going to tell you the answers, and then you're done. So, we're going to draw east twice. This one's going to be different. East twice. We're going to jump east. And then east another 2 times. Then we're also going to look at the code in JavaScript. Cool! Let's run it. Done! Now get back to your work and